Hi fellow entrepreneurs! In today's video, we're going to explore in depth how to utilize ChatGPT for mastering any skill quickly. Whether it's acquiring a new skill, taking a new course, or learning a new language. Having a mentor is fantastic, but not everyone has the privilege of accessing a mentor for extensive discussions. Fortunately, with AI, ChatGPT can effectively become your cost-free mentor. In this video, I have shown various skills that can be learned with ChatGPT and how you can make money from it. So keep watching till the end, because each of this skill is different, which means you have many options to grow, learn and monetize your abilities. So let's get started. Skill 1. Digital marketing. One skill that we can learn from ChatGPT will be digital marketing. This is a very important skill to have, and I'll be explaining the significance of in just a moment, so keep watching. You can let ChatGPT know that you are taking a basic and advanced course on digital marketing, and you need help in understanding the concepts. ChatGPT will then dissect digital marketing concepts for you, ensuring they become simpler to comprehend. And what is even more amazing is that you can also test your knowledge like an exam using ChatGPT as your examiner. How cool is that? Having knowledge about digital marketing is important because it enables individuals and businesses to effectively reach and engage with their audience in the digital world, since this is where most consumers spend their time. This expertise is essential for adapting to the rapidly changing digital landscape and consumer behaviors, ensuring competitiveness and relevance in the market. So if you can master this skill of digital marketing, you can start your own company specializing in areas such as mobile marketing, email marketing, content strategist, social media management, and so on. Skill 2. Understanding concepts. Another skill that you can use ChatGPT for would be to explain and build upon concepts. For example, ask ChatGPT to help you understand the concepts of cryptography, decentralization, and blockchain in Bitcoin. It is important for your prompts to be precise and straight to the point. To further delve into understanding this concept, you can ask ChatGPT to provide you with one important key point for each of this concept so that you can remember it easily. Skill 3. Research. Now let's move forward to another skill that ChatGPT can mentor you with. Whether you are a full-time researcher or simply need to conduct occasional research for a new project or a side hustle, ChatGPT can assist in locating credible sources to begin your research journey. For example, you can ask ChatGPT about 10 types of digital products to create for selling on Etsy. Or another example would be to ask ChatGPT for your research on cloud computing. Based on two different examples, you can see how useful ChatGPT is for learning a new skill. Skill 4. Coding. What is even amazing is that you can ask ChatGPT to help you with coding. Once you have learned this skill, keep practicing and taking on projects so that you get better at what you have just learned. Skill 5. Finance mentor. ChatGPT can also be your finance mentor to teach you how to manage your money. I have asked ChatGPT to help me with creating a budgeting process on how I should manage my finances. What is really cool is that whatever you have learned about budgeting, you can start a side hustle teaching others about finance and budgeting. Skill 6. Author. If you would like to start writing books for children, you can also ask ChatGPT for some ideas on topics that would be interesting. By specifying the age range of the kids and what kind of book you would like to write, ChatGPT would give you some great ideas. You can also further prompt ChatGPT on learning about publishing your book on Amazon KDP. Skill 7. Master baker. If you have zero knowledge about baking, you can also ask ChatGPT to teach you the basics and also some easy recipes that you could try on your own. With ChatGPT as your personal online baking mentor, maybe one day you could even set up your own bakery. Skill 8. Content creation/influencer. If you are a content creator focused on traveling to different countries to explore their cuisine, and if you are currently running out of ideas for your social media profiles, you can use ChatGPT to help you on that too. Skill 9. Decluttering business. If you would like to start a side hustle such as a decluttering business, you can ask ChatGPT to teach you about decluttering, how to start it as a business, and that your goal is to focus on families and elderly clients. You can also further prompt ChatGPT to list the 10 items to declutter from the homes of families with kids and elderly. Skill 10. Time management and productivity skills. One more important skill to have when it comes to making money and staying focused is to have good time management and productivity skills. By entering specific prompts related to this topic, ChatGPT will give you various ideas for implementing effective habits to make the most of your time. Skill 11. Pinterest. Another skill that you can learn from ChatGPT is how to use Pinterest, for example. I am going to ask ChatGPT to teach me the basics about Pinterest and how one can make money from it. You can further prompt it to focus on one main area in Pinterest. For example, blogging and how to make money from Pinterest using your travel blog. Skill 12. Learn a new language. Learning a new language such as Spanish is now easier than ever before. For example, you let ChatGPT assume the role of a Spanish language teacher for teaching you the foundation of Spanish, as well as 10 important words that are used in day-to-day conversations. You can also practice your Spanish daily with ChatGPT. It is like having an in-person teacher interacting with you. All this can be done without any cost because ChatGPT is free. To further become an expert in Spanish, you can even ask ChatGPT to create a 4-week course for you. ChatGPT will then create a course outline for the next 4 weeks, focusing on different areas each week. How amazing is that? There are a lot of possibilities with ChatGPT and how you can utilize it to your best advantage. I hope this video inspires you to learn new skills so that you have bigger and greater opportunities to achieving financial freedom quickly. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.